7:48 right now. It's Wednesday. It's Ask the Attorney Wednesday, and we're talking personal injury today. I'm joined by David E. Gordon. You know he's board certified. Dave, how are you?
Doing great. Glad to be here, Ernie.
Well, let's get right to a question from Michael in Germantown. He says, my shoulder's been bothering me since I had an accident on Halloween night. I have not seen a doctor, and I wonder what compensation I'm owed.
Well, Michael brings up an important situation, and that is a person has pain after an accident, but they don't get any medical attention. Frankly, Michael is going to get next to nothing for his claim. And the thing that concerns me about it is that he may have a serious condition.
Right.
Well, you know, he might have a torn rotator cuff in his shoulder. His shoulder pain might actually indicate an injury to his neck. So what Michael needs to do really is he needs to get medical attention. He needs to get it soon. The insurance company is going to argue already that there's what they call a gap in treatment, and they're going to use it to cast doubt on his claim.
That's unfortunate. All right, Marie in South Haven, if my medical expenses are being paid by my health insurance and I have a disability policy for my lost earnings, do I need a lawyer?
I guess this is common. Somebody thinks that since all their bills are being paid, what would a lawyer do? I can think of about 6 things that a lawyer can do for her, but what really comes to mind is the importance of a person getting a free consultation from a lawyer. You know, all of the injury lawyers in town will talk to you for free. You know, if your knee was bothering you and you knew you could get an orthopedist to see it for free, you'd get it checked out. If you could get your taxes looked at by somebody for free, you'd do it before you turned in the return yourself. So I can think of a lot of ways that person can be helped. We don't have time now, Ernie. So what I urge people to do is get that free consultation.
Okay. All right, Diane in Harbortown, what compensation should a person receive for a scar?
All right, this is such a good question. Remember that the value for any injury depends on the impact of it to the person. So let's think about a scar. If the scar is on a man's face, it's not worth as much as if it's on a woman's face.
Why not?
Well, because I think we know the answer to that.
I don't know the answer.
All right, the answer is that beauty, appearance, is of very high value in our culture. To the individual, to the woman, it's of great value, and in our society, a woman's appearance is still very important, more important than a man's appearance.
Really?
We might like to say otherwise, but that's the way it is.
Okay.
And so it's going to be more valuable.
So what I thought you might say is like it would be more valuable, say for example, a model than for someone who, you know, does something else.
Well, now that would increase the value even greater.
Right, that's what I mean.
If an NFL quarterback has injured his arm in a car accident, it's going to be much more valuable than if you or I injure ours.
Okay.
So that is a good point.
All right. Well, good deal. All right, Dave. Well, thanks. That's all the time we have. Very interesting on the scar. David E. Gordon. By the way, how can folks get in touch with you, Dave?
818-4889. I'd love to speak with him.
Okay. David E. Gordon joined us on the Ask the Attorney Wednesday. It is 7:52 right now, and we'll be right back.